guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be using the Octocurl, which honestly has been out for years now at this point, but I've never used it and I got it off Amazon, so I just wanted to finally try it. The Octocurl does consist of 16 different little curlers that you can use in multiple different ways to get different types of curl looks. So I'll get more into that in a second and how to use it, but yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm just kind of putting it on my head, trying to like get a feel for it. But my hair was already blow dried and I had just kept it in a low ponytail just so I didn't have to deal with my hair. So I'm just now going to brush it on out to make sure it's thoroughly detangled. So now that my hair is thoroughly detangled, I'm going to take the Octocurl. This is what it looks like. I have the satin one. I think it comes in microfiber and another type of fabric, and you can get it in different lengths and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It has 16, and I'm just going to plop it onto my head. This is how it's supposed to be used and worn. So I'm just going to put it on my head, and I do like the fact that this is adjustable, so you can adjust it to fit you nice and, you know, to your liking. So now what I'm going to do to make things a little bit easier is just section off my hair for each of the curlers that I'm going to use it for. Now, like I said, there are 16 curlers and you can use all 16 individually if you would like, but I am going to use 2 curlers for one section of hair. Doing it this way is just going to give you a little bit more of a bigger, looser curl. If you were to just do each individual curler, which is 16 rather than 8, then you would get tighter curls and you would get more of like a twist out look. But I'm going for more of like a rod or a curler type of look, so that's why I'm doing 2 per section. So that means I'll have 8 sections in total. Now, you also can use this to braid your hair and get like a beach wave type of look. How else can you use it? I think that's about it. So now I am going to take my goddessscurls Enchanting Moisture Cream, and I'm going to apply a nice amount of this to my first section just so that it can get some moisture and also some hold. And I did add enough product. I know in the last video I didn't add enough product, but I learned my lesson. So I'm just going to apply enough to where it starts to revert back just a little bit, not too much. And then I'm going to begin wrapping this section around the 2 rods. And it's really, really simple, you guys. It's just like wrapping it around like a flexi rod or a perm rod, etc. And then I want to ensure that, you know, this is more of like a elongated curl, so I am going to leave a little bit of space as I go down the rod. If you want more tighter curls, then you can just, you know, keep it close together. But then once you get down to the end, it does give you this little rubber bands so that you can just secure it. So I just bent it over my hair and then secured it, and yeah. Alright, so this is what I am looking like. This honestly didn't take too long. It was very simple and to the point. And it wasn't uncomfortable to sleep in. Like, that is a big thing for me these days. It wasn't uncomfortable like the other like rod that you guys saw me do in my previous video. So yeah, I liked this. I let it air dry overnight, and this is the next day. My hair was a little bit frizzy at the roots, but I will try to disguise that in a second. I'm just now going to undo these rods and see what these curls are looking like. And I was impressed with these curls. Now, I do wish I would have let this sit for a little bit longer, just a little bit. It was dry, but I definitely feel like the curls could have really like popped a little bit more. But nonetheless, I'm just going to take it all down and let you guys see. Now I'm just going to go in and separate the curls, not too much, but you know, I want to separate it a little bit to give it a little bit more volume and all that good stuff. And then I will go on top of my roots and just brush it down with this really hard brush that I have. And that kind of just did the trick. If you want to avoid like frizzy roots, I would say to just cover your hair up with like a bonnet or a scarf. So this is the final look, you guys, and I really did like my results. It had a nice curl pattern. My hair was soft, it was voluminous. I didn't pick it out too much this time, but it could have been a little bit bigger. But nonetheless, I still really liked how this came out, and this process and the sleep, everything was just good. It wasn't uncomfortable or anything like that. So I could definitely see myself using this again, and this could easily transform into like other styles. I could do a half up, half down. That would really make this look cute. I could put this into like a loose updo, however the heck you want to do it. I could even change this to a side part if I wanted to. So let me know what you guys think about the Octocurl. Have you guys used it? Have you tried it? I will link the Amazon link down below in case you guys want to check it out or try it out. It's pretty affordable, so let me know your guys' thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out goddessscurls. I'll put the link down below and you can use a discount. Everything will be in the description box and comments. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video.